With a shift in mindset and subtle reframing of beliefs, every person has the ability for self-healing. This shift can improve your mood and help you develop the belief that you are enough. Today, I will be guiding you on this short guided meditation with affirmations to help you heal and improve your mood. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. Here we are an oasis where you can come to tap into your inner peace, positive mindset, and the ability for self-healing. I'm Sara Raymond, and I am honored to be your guide today. Let's begin. I invite you to make yourself as comfortable as possible. This practice can be done seated, lying down, standing, or even walking outside. Be sure you are in a safe place where you can close your eyes if you would like. Let's begin by building some energy with a focused breath pattern. Allow your attention to rest on the sound of your breath. I will guide you to breathe in through your nose for a count of 4 and out through your nose for a count of 4. I will count the first few, and then you can continue to count on your own. Breathe out completely, and now breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1, and out 4, 3, 2, 1. One more together. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1, and out 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue on your own. Keep the intensity light. Do not work too hard here. Attend to the sound of your breath as you continue counting the length. And feel the aliveness of the breath as it fills your body. Just a few more cycles here on your own. Now let the breath settle into a relaxed, natural rhythm. Take a moment to notice and enjoy the changes within that you have just created. Stay with this relaxed state that you have created with your breath. As you begin to visit a past memory, when the memory comes up, remain calm and think of it as a movie in your mind that is happening at another time. You are not living it right now. You are simply remembering it. I invite you now to think of a time in your life that when you think of this memory, you have a negative interpretation. Perhaps you can think of something where the story in your mind is one of regret. Here you may have the thought of, I should have done it this way, or it would have been better if I did that instead. Or maybe you remember a time where you felt emotionally hurt by another, or a time where you hurt someone else, whether this hurt was intentional or not. Perhaps the memory that comes up for you is a time where you experienced embarrassment. This could be something as a child, or a more recent time in your life. Once this memory comes to mind, picture yourself at this time in your life. Create a clear image of yourself in your mind. And now imagine your current self is in a welcoming environment with this previous version of yourself. In your mind, perhaps imagine a park bench where you can sit together and chat, or a spot at the beach to sit in some comfy chairs. Choose any scene that is a happy place for you. Imagine now looking into the eyes of your previous self and speaking the following words, either aloud or in your head. I see you. I am here for you. I love you. I accept you. I forgive you. I thank you. I see you. I am here for you. I love you. I accept you. I forgive you. I thank you. I see you. I am here for you. I love you. I accept you. I forgive you. I thank you. Take a moment now and feel the words within your heart. Savor how it feels in your body. Let the words sink in. And allow a gentle smile to build, raising the corners of your mouth and eyes the slightest bit. And perhaps building your smile just a little more. Now visualize yourself sitting back in that chair and repeat these following words, either aloud or in your mind. I am enough. 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 Allow the smile to build just a little bit more. And if it feels right to you, place your hands on your heart as you repeat these words once more. I am enough. 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 Now enjoy the sensations in your body from repeating this statement and believing this statement. These positive feelings and emotions are here for you whenever you need them. Now turn to your previous self and let yourself know that you will be back for them whenever they need you. Now carry the belief that you are enough with you as you move on with your day today and every day. Say it to yourself whenever you need it. When you are ready, open your eyes. You are enough. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.